Hello guys, in this video we are going to do a quick recap on what functions are in order to understand what probability density functions are, which I am going to cover in my next video. So in this video I am going to explain what is a function and what is a relation. So a function, as you see in front of you, is a mapping defined from capital X set to capital Y set. They both have some values, and the mapping goes like x1 to y1, x2 to y2, x3 to y3. So when I apply the mapping small f to x1, I get a value y1. So this is what a function is in its most basic sense. And a typical property of a function is that for multiple values in the capital X set, I can have only a single value in the capital Y set. So the capital X set is more commonly known as the domain, and capital Y set is more commonly known as the range. So a function's definition is only legal when for multiple values in the domain set, I only have a single value in the range set. Otherwise, that function would become a relation, as I'm going to demonstrate in the next example. So here you see that this is the standard definition of a function, as you must be seeing in textbooks and online. So consider this parabola. This parabola satisfies the legal definition of a function that for multiple values in the domain set, I can only have a single y. So for values -1 and 1, which are both on the either side of the number line on the x-axis, I have a single value 1. So f of 1 is equal to f of -1 equal to 1, and this parabola is an even function. So this is a positive function, and it cannot take any negative values. So you must be remembering what an even function is. So f of x is equal to f of minus x remains the same for a even function, and so it is the case here. Now I'm going to define a relation. Look closely. This is a circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1, and the reason that this is not a function is that it basically violates the very basic definition of a function. In the range set, the so in this case the mapping is not unique. For a single x, I have multiple y's. What you see in front of yourself is for x equal to half, when I calculate the values of y, I get plus minus root 3 by 2. So this becomes a relation. This is no longer a function. For a single value in the domain set, I am able to have multiple values in the range set. So this becomes a relation, and it is pretty much easy to see the difference between a function and a relation. Always remember this definition of a function and a relation, and you will never make a mistake in understanding any concept of mathematics which is based upon functions. So I'm going to see you in the next video, where I would formally define what a probability density function is, and then we can look more at we can look further at distributions, the kind of distributions we have in statistics, the log normal distribution, the normal distribution, the Poisson distribution. So once your concept of a probability density distribution function or a probability density function is clear, you will be better be able to understand what is all going in statistics. So see you guys in the next video, and I hope that this video is pretty much enough for making you clear what is the difference between a function and a relation is. Bye guys.